Hey, how's it going? Sorry, I'm getting everything kind of set up for the other view of the camera. Yes, my very first Xbox controller, and I fixed a pair of earbuds a little bit ago, and my wife is like, hey, you should have done a video of that. And I'm like, you know what? You're right. I probably should have. I'm going to try to fix this because, as you can tell, this is not right. I'm going to try to find out what's going on with it, what parts and stuff we need for it. I don't exactly know. Okay, so anyways, I got it done. It's a T9H for the screws that I'm trying to take out here. I gotta peel up this little sticker. I wish I had some heat, but I don't have a heat gun yet. Make do with what you got is what I was always taught. I'm gonna try and get this peeled off. Woohoo! Yes! I've got access. Oh, I put that thing back now. Now, like I said, I've never taken one of these apart before, so it's kind of cool. Let's see what's anything going on with it. I see the little rumble packs. Oh, well, that's not good. I really don't think this is supposed to be two pieces. Wow. I wasn't supposed to do that. Or maybe it was. Well, obviously the plastic's broke. And how I replace that. Dude, this is actually kind of cool. And this is going to need a new doohicker and a thingamabob. So I will probably have to order one of those, but before I order it, I want to see if I can figure out how to take it off. I could probably watch some other videos on how people took them off. What's the fun of that? 1.5 stars, what it looks like. Let's find out. You know what? I'm old, and these are actually bifocals. They're no line bifocals. But in stuff like this, I can still see better without glasses. So I am going to do this without glasses. Oh, I hope I do not get all these mixed up. So. Okay. Pry that one off and pry this one off. Try to slide this out. Oh, there's other parts in here. What? No way. Dude. I might be getting into more than I wanted to. Dude, I just need to take this off. But to get that off, I had to take off this whole board. Oh, man. This better be recording, because I'm about to see how in the world I go back and redo this when I'm done. that pops right off. Sweet. So if you want to find out how something works, take it apart. There's something there. It popped right off. Sweet. So now the piece I need to take off is this one right here. And I've got parts everywhere. So I'm gonna have to order a new one of these because I don't have one. You would think, hey, you're taking stuff apart, you're gonna need to order it. Well, I didn't know which one to get in order to order it. So now I have an idea and I'm gonna have to take it out. After looking online, I found a couple of these on Amazon. I was looking through other websites and couldn't seem to find it, but Amazon seemed to have, I'm getting a pack of 6 of them. Yeah, it's like $16 for 6 of them, so that wasn't too bad. Okay, so I've got some chip quick and some, that's my flux, and some solder wick I'm going to try to do this with. Okay, I probably should have recorded this earlier because I found out in my great wisdom, soldering tips get extremely hot. Hey, you're doing that wrong. And you know what? You're probably 100% correct. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong. Lots of errors. Lots and lots of errors on my part. Melted it on there. I soldered the solder wick to the board. Oh, jeez. Oh, my word. Doesn't even come off the board. Oh, jeez. I totally soldered it on there. Are you kidding me? Dude, look at that. Look at it. Oh. If I had a heat gun on this thing, I'm sure I'd just burn it and be done with it. I know my video is a little bright. Oh, I'm sure I'm melting the crap out of stuff. Did my wick just start on fire? I think my solder wick might have started on fire. Who knows? Oh my word. I think I got this turned up a little high. But it's wicking the stuff good. Yeah, it's actually, this solder wicking is actually working. Believe it or not, it's slow go, but it does appear to be working. So I actually think I got all that off. Let's find out. Does it pop off like it's supposed to? Probably not. Wow. Yeah, there's two more here. See if you can see them. These two right here. I didn't do those two yet. I don't have a chip for my microscope, because I like to put it in the microscope and show you what I'm seeing. But I don't think I have a chip for mine that I can do that with just yet. As I said, I'm kind of new to this. I don't have all the setup that I want yet. And then I looked and I was like, oh, it's the wrong one. No, it's actually the right one. Whew. You can take it off with a wick and soldering iron. So it can be done. It's probably not the best way to do it, but it can be done. So we gotta wait for this little thing. I ordered 6 of them. I only need 1, but I've got other controllers that I'm sure they're gonna need to be replaced on. So yeah, we'll let you know when that comes in.
3 days later.
This part here finally came in, so I was going to go ahead and put this together. Sorry, I'm cutting off the top of my head. I am still getting everything set up here, trying to get it figured out. But I need, ooh, wow, this came with 6 of them, and the thing to pull it apart, and a couple tools. Sweet. Nice little handy dandy little thing they got here. It just happens to fit perfectly. Right there like it was built for it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think that's gonna work. Alright, now let's see if I can solder this back together. Well, as soon as I get that set up, we'll do a lot more of this under the microscope. Sorry, I don't have that set up yet. Hopefully you can somewhat see it with that camera. It's on top. Like I said, I apologize. I'm just getting started at this channel. We finally came up with a name for it. My wife came up with a great idea. We're gonna call it Fix or Fail. Then I had to put 2024. First one's touching anything or not. Let's wick off some of that first one. Just a little bit too close. There we go. Some of these have a little bit bigger blobs, but we'll go ahead and clean them up. See what it looks like. I don't remember how I took this thing apart. I see lots of buttons. Oh boy. This just got interesting. I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video of how I took it apart. Because I honestly do not remember how it goes back together. Oh, that sounds terrible, but it's true. Oh boy. Oh, that's what you get for waiting for 3 days. Oh, man. Was that? I don't even know that was there. That gets pushed back down in there. Oh, okay, cool. They have it marked. Whew. I was afraid they didn't have that marked. Now that's in there. Okay, I'm gonna go clean all these parts real quick. I'll be back in a little bit. You won't know. You won't know any time's passed. I have another one of these, and that's broken off inside there. Oh no. I'm gonna have to see if I can get that out. All right, I'm gonna go work on that. I will be back in a little bit. Okay, so I did find a small little screw that I could stick in there, and I went ahead and stuck it in and screwed it in, and then I just happened to reach and pull, and the plastic piece came out perfectly. So, perfect. Now we're ready to install it. Okay, so now we're back to where we were before. Back to square one again. Both those are in. How these go back in here? I mean, there's the right button, there's the left button. I mean, it would fit inside there if that's where it's, yeah, actually I do, because right there is where the end of the weight would be. Okay. I think I got this. I got this, man. I got this. take this, and this goes back in here, and I see the spot there for wires to come out. And this looks like a hook. See, it fits in there perfect. So it's got to go there. It's got to. I mean, it couldn't fit in there any better. And then this has got to hook back in there. And then right there's where a screw goes. So, right back in this one, from what I remember. Think. If it's all Alrighty, I'm going to go up and run a couple tests on this, see if it works. Ooh. Nope. Right side is not pushing down. We got something amiss. Dang it. So close. So close, but the right side is not pushing down. It's not sitting right. See how it's kind of whoop. Can't push that side down, so I'm going to find out what's wrong with it. Let me get it back apart, and I will be back in a minute. Okay, now I figured out the problem that I did. When I put the top back on, what happened was this top right here, this shifted a little bit. And there's actually plastic here and here that kind of hold this in place. And if it shifts off just a little bit, one side will raise, the other side will lower when you go to put the lid on, or when you go to put this top on. So, you have to be very careful. When I put the top back on, I tested it, made sure it worked in all directions. Then you have to hold this top piece tight. I did not know that when you screw it all back together. Hold it tight in place when you screw it together. Then I'll take it up and I'll test it, and we'll see whether or not I actually fixed it. Was it a fix or was it a fail? We'll find out. Fix or fail 2024. I have to thank my wife for that nice name. And I'm also going to get a shout out to a guy in England that actually made me kind of want to do this just as a little hobby. Steve, what's Steve's? I'll find his YouTube channel name. I should put a link to his YouTube channel in my comment section. Because he's the one, I've been watching his videos for I've been going back as 3 years that he's been doing these videos, and he's a funny guy to watch. He's got a little rap that he does. And he's the one that kind of helped inspire me to do this. Let me go test this, and I will be back. It was a fix. So first video, it happens to be a fix. Cool. So okay, so just so you know, this is like the first filming that I've done for this channel. So I'll kind of show you a little bit. As I said, we were just getting started up, or I was just getting started up and trying to get all this stuff done. I'll kind of show you the janky setup that I have. Off with, yeah, my little board holder. That's what was holding my phone. It was on a roll of tape. And then, as you can tell, there's my microscope and my little area. Right there's my camera, my top camera. And as you can see, it's being held on with a clip. That's just clipped to a shelf. So, I mean, right there's a light that I'm using and stuff. So, I mean, there's my little solder stuff. It's, like I said, it's kind of a janky setup, but you do what you got to do to get started. So as I'm fixing this stuff, I'm going to do a little bit at a time, and you'll actually see progression of more and more stuff set up a little bit better. Right now, this is just a, hey, let's try it, see what happens, and go from there. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.